Around the Christmas tree at the Christmas party hop. Mistletoe hung where you.
What is up, Monet Gang, and welcome back to my channel. Now, before you do anything else, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Make sure you're getting notified each and every time I post more videos on the way. So, as you can tell by the title, today's video is just going to be like a little DIY on how to make your own drunk Uno. It's actually really simple and easy. Of course, I use my Cricut machine. And the first thing you're going to need is some Uno cards. I got these from Walmart for like $4. I got like this little box just to put it in, to keep it in. I think this was like $3 or $4 at Michael's. You probably can find it somewhere cheaper, but I was just already there, so I grabbed it. Now, I don't know what it is about shot glasses. I could not find any shot glasses anywhere. Like, I went to Walmart, I went to Target, I went to the dollar stores, I went to Best Buy, not Best Buy, Big Lots, and nobody had them. But then I went to Bed Bath & Beyond, and they had this 6-pack for $10, so I just grabbed them. I found this little design on Google. All you gotta do is type in Drunk Uno rules or something like that, and this design will pop up, and I just printed it off. Now, low-key, well, not low-key, high-key, I messed it up right here because I cut off the F and the W, but it's whatever. And then for the design, basically the small ones that say Uno are gonna go on 4 different shot glasses, and then this big one that says Drunk Uno, I'm just gonna put it on my box. And then you're gonna need some, I use contact paper, but usually people use transfer paper for the vinyl, but whatever works best for you. Okay, so the first one I'm gonna do is the box, and you're gonna just need all the big pieces, and then this one little small piece for like the beer that's overflowing. And it's so late, it's 1:23 in the morning, so some of the steps might be confusing, not confusing, but unnecessary, but I got y'all. Basically, the best way to do it is to layer them on top of each other and then put them on the box. But I think I'm going to put them on the box first. No, I'm not. I'm going to layer them on top of each other and then put them on the box.
Christmas tree at the Christmas party hop. Mistletoe hung
On top of the transfer paper just to see how much I actually need. Thanks for watching this video, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye, gang.